tested, not an unboxing video. Balls to the wall, man. This will work. We're gonna put this thing under the hammer and punch the crap out of it and make it light up and hopefully not go up in smoke. So there we go. Now we got ourselves an angle grinder and let's grind it. I don't think it even phased that converter. It's not even doing nothing. Alright, so we've got a piece of metal cut. This is what you guys came here for. Let's see if it works with the MIG welder. Crappy weld, but it appears that the inverter's still working. So there you have it. MIG welder powered by a battery off of an inverter, you guys. Works. See you later.